This is going to be a quick video based on request on how to link your Nigerian Dom account to your Payoneer account. So let's get into it. So what you want to do is you want to head over to your bank and cards on Payoneer, and once you're here, go to bank accounts for withdrawals. On Payoneer, you can only link 3 accounts. So if you had 3 accounts already, you have to remove one to be able to add another one, just like I've done here. Click on add account. Now I'm going to select personal because it's a personal account, and then the country is Nigeria. So I'm going to select the currency to be USD. If it's a Euro account, you can select Euro. Unfortunately, you can't add a GBP account, so let me use my other USD account for this demonstration. So I'm going to click on next, and now you can see you have options to select the bank name. So for me, I am adding a Wema Bank account, so let's scroll all the way down to where we have Wema Bank, and then I'm going to add in my name, and you want to add in your name as it shows up on your bank account. So as you see here, it says full name of the official bank account holder, no Latin characters of course, and symbols and all that stuff. Who would have symbols in their name? Okay, so now we are going to add in the account number. I've copied that, so I'm just going to paste it in here like so. And you want to make sure that all the information is correct, and then click on confirm and head on to click on next. Now the last phase is to provide your date of birth and your password to confirm that you are the one who's actually doing this. So I'm going to click on add bank account after that, and the process will be initiated. Now it says my bank account has been added, and account approval usually take up to 30 minutes. Usually it's less than that, and we will email you when you can start withdrawing to this account. So if we go back to our accounts, you can see now, if I refresh, that I have 3 accounts and this one is pending review. Of course, we cannot add any more accounts because we have added the maximum number of bank accounts that we can add. I'm just going to wait for this. Like they say 30 minutes, but usually less than 30 minutes it's going to be approved. That is how you add your Nigerian Dom account to your Payoneer account. If you have any questions, shoot them at me in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe and all that jazz. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.